What's up, you wonderful people? My name is Aditya, and this is a new segment in the blog called Snap Tips. Let's get right into it. Alright, so today's Snap Tip is about how do you get good audio on your vlogs without using an external mic. Now, a lot of you are thinking about getting into vlogging, and yes, it's good to start with a small setup like on your phone. But for those of you who've kind of invested already in a camera and on a lens, here's a quick tip on how to get good audio in your vlog without using an external mic. Now, alright, for this example, I'm using my Canon Rebel T5 or 1200D. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go into the video mode. You're gonna then select menu. You're gonna get into the camera's menu options. You're gonna look for an option called sound recording. Now, this is basically what you're doing to adjust how much sound levels that you want to basically select. Now, for most of you, this is going to be on auto, and that's pretty good. But what auto is going to do is going to kind of suck in a lot more of the ambient sound, and you're going to get those harsh wind sounds, and it's going to try to pick up like a rustling leaf 300 meters away. What you're going to do is select sound recording, come down, select manual, then you're going to go down to recording level. Now, initially this is going to be at like 100 for you, but what you're going to do is you're going to bring it down to less than 50%, and you're going to select that, and then wind filter, you're going to do enable wind filter. Now, the moment you do that and you go back to your recording mode, you're going to see this microphone with M indicating that it's manual sound recording. Alright, now we're going to go to the road. We're going to go outside and see what's the difference between auto and manual, and does it really make a difference. And then we're going to go jump into the computer. I'm going to show you a snap tip of how to fix any additional sound that you might have in post-processing. Alright, so we're recording this on full auto mode. This is basically like, it's going to be as noisy as it's going to get. Like, you know, there's this cars passing by, there's a lot of ambient noise, there's a little bit of wind that's happening. And so now we're going to switch over to the manual recording. And now we'll switch over to the manual recording, and you can basically make out the difference that the ambient sound is so much less. It's a bit more, you can make out a lot more of my voice. And I'm speaking normally like I would talk to somebody when if I'm walking down the street, without shouting, without screaming. And there's still a lot of ambient sound, and so we're going to jump into the computer, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of the rest of the sound to make it a little bit more smoother and a little bit more buttery, crispy in terms of what it is actually that we're doing here. Okay, so we're in the computer now. We've imported the files that we're going to work with. I'm going to be using iMovie. You can use whatever software that you want to use. Alright, so these are the two clips. Let's drag both of them into the timeline. Get the clip size. So automatically you can see that this one, the first one, is the one that we use with the auto recording, and look at the waveform, that's so much higher, right? But now you look at the second one. If you look at this, look at the audio waveforms. There are no peaks. There's literally like no spikes. And if you listen to this one, and now we'll switch over to the manual recording, and you can basically make out the difference. It's more audible, it's a little bit more soothing to the sound. Now, there's still a little bit of background noise. It's a bit more, you can make out a lot more noise. And if you want to actually fix this, there's an easy way. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the link. We're going to go up here to this waveform, and we're going to say reduce background noise. I'm going to bring it down a little bit, and now look at this. And now we'll switch over to the manual recording, and you can basically make out the difference that the ambient. Bam, and that's it. That's how you actually get good audio on an inbuilt mic from your camera without having to like spurge right away on a good microphone. That's it for Snap Tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Hit the like button, subscribe, share this if you actually think this is going to be useful to somebody who is interested in vlogging, and I'll see you in the next one with another Snap Tip. Cheers.